In this video, we'll see how to diagnose and repair a Whirlpool dryer that makes loud noises. We will use a ratchet screwdriver, a 3/8 socket, a Phillips bit, a thin tool, anything can work, even a kitchen knife, a new belt, 2 supporting wheels, fittings and tighteners, and a new pulley handle. Begin by removing the lint filter and unscrew the 2 screws located at the filter shaft. Make sure you don't lose the screws. Then with a thin metal tool, find and release the top panel locking clips. Let's look at it from another angle. We will need to remove the screws that hold the front panel. There is 1 screw at each side. First, remove the door switch wire harness. Use a thin tool to create a gap in its holding teeth and pull apart. Then remove the screw. Do the same at the other side. Now to remove the front panel, simply pull it straight up and it will come right off. This is a good opportunity to inspect the door's liner and the drum gliders. If they are broken or have excess wear and tear signs, they need to be replaced. Before continuing, it is suggested to remove loose dust and debris. In order to remove the old belt, you simply need to apply force on the pulley handle and loosen the tension on the belt. Then simply remove the belt from the motor wheel, and the belt will become fully free. Inspect the belt, make sure it's in one piece. Look for cracks and excessive wear and tear signs. Take a close look at the belt before continuing. Now, simply lift and remove the drum. Nothing holds it in place at this point. Inspect the drum back liner and make sure it's tight and in good conditions. A drum with bad liners or gliders will cause a loud metallic sound. Before continuing, take a minute to clean the area. We'll start with replacing the left supporting wheel. First, remove the supporting leg by pulling the connection from the wheel shaft. Then, loosen the thread a little bit and spin the leg to the side. Then, release the holding plastic triangle, locking the wheel in place. You can do so with any small tool that can go in between the plastic and the shaft. Remove the old wheel. There is another plastic triangle behind the wheel that can be replaced. If you can see excessive amount of debris caught in the area, it will also be a good idea to replace it. You can do it exactly the same way you removed the previous one. Before installing the new wheel, make sure the shaft is clean. Start with the plastic triangle. Push it all the way to the back. Then place the new supporting wheel. And lock the wheel in place with a new plastic triangle. Now you can place back the supporting leg. Tighten the screw. Then place a new locking ring by forcing it in on the wheel shaft. All these parts are included in our kit. Now we can move to the next wheel. Replacing the second wheel is being done exactly the same way like the first one. Start by removing the plastic triangle. Then remove the old wheel, and then the other plastic triangle. Make sure the shaft is clean before installing the new wheel. That's it. Now you can place the drum back. Place the drum in a way it is caught by the supporting wheels. Give it a spin, and make sure it is spinning freely. When it's in the right position, you should be able to leave it, and it will hold by itself. When installing the new belt in, make sure the groove side facing the drum. The visible side is supposed to be flat. This is to increase friction with the drum. Align the belt with the old belt script line. It will help the next step. Install the new pulley handle by inserting the curved side first, and then the side with the holding teeth. Hold the belt with the smooth side facing down. And while applying force on the pulley handle, pass it through and under the wide wheel. Then wrap the belt around the motor wheel. Make sure the drum is spinning along with all the other moving parts. Now you can install back the front panel. Align the panel with the brackets located at the bottom of the dryer's frame on both sides. And simply lift the panel and lay on the brackets until it feels locked in place. Then spin the drum about a full spin to make it align with the panel. Now you can put back the two screws that hold the front panel. Reconnect the door switch wire harness. Lay down the top panel and press it down until you hear a locking snap sound. Screw back the two screws that go under the lint filter. Insert the lint filter. That's it, you're done. We suggest to make sure the dryer works perfectly.